Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create an Exodus wallet. So we're going to download the Exodus app off the Play Store and then open the Exodus app. Oh, here we go. Tap on Get Started. Okay, let's just quickly go through these and read them. So then you'll get started. Just wait for it to load. I apologize, my internet is very slow. Here we go. Okay, and apparently it's that easy to get the Exodus wallet started. So, forgive me, I'm not as familiar. Oh, here we go. Okay, sorry. Security. Okay. So in here, this is where you would tap on backup, and you never share your secret phrase. This is not a wallet I'm going to use, so I'm okay with showing the secret phrase. You have to press and hold to reveal. So that would get you your secret phrase, which you would then write them all down on paper. Do not copy and paste. As it says here, do not create a digital copy such as a screenshot, text, file, or email. Now, because I'm shooting a video, this is going to get deleted. And then you would write those down, and then you would be able to back it up. You'd be able to use that to access your wallet or to import your wallet into other wallets. Sorry, let's back up a few steps. You will tap on security here, and then you'll tap on backup, and then you'll tap on view secret phrase. It will show you the secret phrase, and then you'll have to scroll down to the bottom where it says press and hold to reveal, and you will have to press and hold it in order to reveal it. If you let go, it hides the words again. This is to keep you protected and safe. So as you can see in the Exodus wallet, it doesn't automatically show Tron. You'll have to go down and tap on add more. And then in here you can type in search for Tron, and it'll pop up, and then you'll just turn that to on, and then if you go back, now TRX will show up in the wallet.